In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Teams for free and guide you through the download and setup process. Whether you're looking to collaborate with coworkers, connect with classmates, or just get started with a new communication platform, this is a tool you'll definitely want to have in your digital toolkit. Let's make this process simple and straightforward so you're up and running in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. We'll begin by searching for Microsoft Teams download. This method ensures that we're navigating through the correct channels and ending up with the official, authentic software. Generally, when you search this term, you'll come across multiple results, but there's a specific one we're looking for. Now, among the search results, locate the entry that points to the website softonic.com. Specifically, you're seeking the link https://microsoftteams.ensoftonic.com. This is where you can conveniently acquire Microsoft Teams for free. Clicking on this link will take you to the download page on the Softonic website, a known repository for hosting safe and free software downloads. Once you're on the Softonic webpage, you should find a clearly labeled button or link to download Microsoft Teams. Click on it to commence the download. It's essential to be patient as the file downloads, as the speed will depend on your internet connection. After the download completes, go to your download folder where the installation file has been saved. You'll typically find it under Downloads unless you've specified otherwise. Locate the downloaded file, which should be named something like Microsoft Teams Setup XE or similar. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. At this stage, it's crucial to close any unnecessary applications. This ensures that the setup runs smoothly and faster without any interruptions. Once the installation wizard launches, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. These prompts are straightforward, typically involving clicks on Next and Finish buttons, ensuring that the installation process is accessible to nearly everyone, regardless of technical know-how. When the installation is complete, you might be prompted to restart your computer. If so, go ahead and do it. Restarting ensures that all components of Microsoft Teams are integrated correctly into your system, providing a seamless experience when you launch the application for the first time. Now you're all set to use Microsoft Teams. Simply click on the newly added icon on your desktop or find it on your Start menu. Launch the program, and from there, you can either sign in with an existing Microsoft account or create a new one if needed. And with that, you're ready to explore all the collaborative features that Microsoft Teams offers. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy using Microsoft Teams.